Good day, grade 7. Welcome to Arts class, lesson 1. To jumpstart the lesson, let us define first the following terminologies. Arts is a diverse range of human activities involving the creation of visual, auditory, or performing artifacts, which express the creator's imagination, conceptual ideas, or technical skills intended to be appreciated primarily for their beauty or emotional power. Crafts is an activity involving skills in making things by hand. Arts and crafts describe a wide variety of activities involving making things with one's own hands. The importance of unlocking those important terminologies is connected with our lesson in first quarter Arts 7, the Arts and Crafts of Luzon Highlands and Lowlands. Let us identify the content standard. Performance standard. And the most essential learning competencies. These are some types of arts and crafts: textile, pottery, basketry, tattooing, sculpture, accessories, paper craft, architecture, handicrafts, wood carving, and body ornamentation. For the review, identify the picture in the next slides. Name the types of arts and crafts. You only have 5 seconds to answer. Ready? The answer is tattooing. The answer is accessories. The answer is pottery. The answer is textile. The answer is sculpture. Moving on, lesson 1 is all about the arts and crafts of ILOCOS region and Cordillera administrative region. You will become familiar with the different designs, motifs, and history of their attires, fabrics, crafts, and accessories used by the people in their region. To begin with lesson 1, you will get to know the different arts and crafts of ILOCOS region, particularly in the provinces of ILOCOS and Pangasinan. Vigan, considered as the Intramuros of the North, retains the Spanish colonial architecture along its narrow and cobblestone streets known as Calle Crisologo. Enabel is a hand-weaving technique of the Ilocanos that is produced using traditional wooden looms. The different designs represent different meanings. The binakol weave represents the waves of the sea. Burnay is an unglazed earthen jar with a small opening. It is used for storage for water and rice grains and as a container for salt, brown sugar, basi, and bagoong. The arts and crafts of Pangasinan include the smoothly woven bulinaw mats made from buri or raffia leaves and the bamboo craft used to make baskets and furniture. Next, in lesson 1, you will get to know the different arts and crafts of Cordillera administrative region, particularly in the provinces of Kalinga, Ifugao, Mountain Province, and Abra. The natives of Kalinga are skilled weavers. One of their finest products is their textile, which is characterized by red stripes and white, yellow, and black geometrical patterns. The Southern Kalinga women wear the wraparound skirt or tapis called kain, which reaches below abdomen, and when they walk, one of the thigh is exposed. The Northern Kalinga wears saya or ordinary women's skirt covering the body from waist to feet. The colors used in their textile have cultural meanings: red for bravery, black for soil or land, white for flower of the coffee tree, yellow for sun, green for mountains. The basketry of the Kalinga shows their fine craftsmanship. The laba is a bowl-shaped basket made from rattan with sizes that vary from 20 to 150 centimeters in diameter. Wang-ud is the last mambabatok or traditional Kalinga tattoo artist. She uses an onto the skin through a torn end. The painful tattoo technique is said to be 1,000 years old and can only be passed on through a lineage. Tattooing is another form of art in the Kalinga. It signifies a rite of passage from youth to the adulthood, mark of heroism and bravery, and one's status in the community. The design consists of geometric patterns and lines. The bulul is a wooden sculpture that represents the rice granary spirits. It is used in rituals that are performed to call the ancestor to protect their rice fields and to ask for an abundant harvest. The bulul is usually made of nara, which signifies wealth, happiness, and well-being to the Ifugao. The amulets of the Ifugao are called lingling-o or dinumo. These are made from jade, gold, copper, bronze, stone, and other materials. These are fertility symbols worn around the neck. The Kabayan Mummies were declared national cultural treasure of the Philippines. The body tattoos that adorn the Kabayan Mummies are similar to the patterns found in their textile. The province is also known for their burial cloth kadangyan. Here are the figures in the lubid: eye, man, lizard, star, snake, butterfly, shield, spear, and flowers. All the figures except the flowers are woven into the garments. The flower is embroidered. The people of Bontoc are also skilled weavers. They weave different textiles from blankets to clothing. Wanes, men's traditional attire. Lufid, women use a short and narrow wrap around. Ginaspalawanes is a belt wearing by a married women of Bontoc and Kankanay in the northern Cordillera. Ikat is a native of Bontoc textile pattern or weaving method. The Tinggians weave textile for clothes and blankets. They are noted for their white textiles. Bankudo or wrap-around skirt with horizontal stripes on the edge, and balwasi or female blouse with vertical stripes in the center. Here are the references that I have used in doing my presentation. Credits to the owners of different photos used per slides. Sources are underneath each pictures. This has been your teacher, Mrs. Cynthia Soledad S. Aspe. Before I end, I wanted to share with you from the book of Ephesians chapter 2 verse 10. You are God's work of arts. God bless!